Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which is asking us if the function f of x is this. So, they have given you a function f of x. This is your f of x. Then, which of the following is are true? So, if you'll observe the question, like options, these guys are talking about 1 1 function, on 2 function. Okay, on 2 function is 1 1, not 1 1, both on to 1 1. Okay, so these guys are talking about 1 1 many 1. Okay, and on to into function. Okay, so what I will do, try to understand this part. I will add one more part, that it is odd or even. Okay, odd even function, on to into function, 1 1 many 1 function. Okay, you have to judge. Now look at this. Suppose that you know it is modulus function. So modulus function opens differently. So I will drop down this thing into some parts. I will create piecewise function. Suppose x is less than 0. So if x is less than 0 means this mod x will become negative and it will open with negative sign. So can I write minus of x into, everything will be same as it is, only the influence will be on mod. So this is the thing. Now at x equals to 0, this person will become 0 and 0 into anything will become 0, correct? Now after x equals to 0, it is positive, so it will open directly x times x minus sin x. Okay, now suppose that we have to judge odd even function. Okay, so f of x was what? Mod of x, x minus sin x. Now look at this. I have to find out f of minus x. So minus x mod is still mod x only. Okay, so if you will write 5 or minus 5 and then you will take mod, it is still the same. Minus x, and sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So minus minus will become plus. So it will become like this. So it is sine x. Achha, it will open directly. If it is plus, if it is minus, it will become the positive thing only. Okay, now try to compare. F of minus x, if you'll compare na, it is looking like this. Just you have to take minus common. So can I say that it is equal to f of x? F of minus x and f of x are negative of each other. Here also if you'll observe na, this is, if this is your f of x, this is your f of minus x, means behind x, x is negative. So it is looking negative now. So it is odd function. Okay. So given function is odd. Odd means what? It is symmetric about origin. Correct or wrong? So what I will do, I will observe the function after 0. Like if it is increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, it will follow the same trend because it is symmetric about origin. So I will take mirror image from origin. Okay. What I will do, I will focus on the function after x equals to 0. Okay, at 0 it is 0. So suppose that we have x greater than 0. So you got your f of x as this, means f of x comes out to be x square minus x sin x. This is your f of x. Now what I will do, I will use application of differentiation. if you have little bit of knowledge about differentiation, you can understand this question gracefully. So I will try to follow the trend of this given function after x equals to 0. For that, I will go with first order differentiation. So it is 2x minus. Now, it is first function differentiation of second function cos x plus second function differentiation of first function x. Done. Correct? Now look at this, how rearrangement I will do. It is 2x, so I will distribute this 2x into certain part x plus x. So can I write x, first x I will give to this person, x cos x, second x I will give to sine. Correct? So if I will take x common, you will be left with 1 minus cos x plus x minus sin x. This is the function. Now look at this. You guys have tried to understand this part. This is y equal to x graph. This is correct. And then we have sine function, cos function. You know that sine function graph is slightly below than y equal to x. This is your sine function. And then we have cos function. Cos function is, it will start from 0, like it will go this way. So if we are talking to after x equals to 0, look at this. This is 1, but you are talking to after 0. After 0, cos value is getting reduced, yes or no? It is slightly smaller than 1. So this means what? This is a positive number. And this x is already, you have taken x greater than 0. So this all together, it is a positive number. This is positive number, yes or no? Also, you know that the x function is always greater than the sine function. So this function will always be positive. So positive plus positive, this means f dash x is always greater than 0. Means the given function is strictly increasing function. So if the given function is strictly increasing, don't you think it will become, like it is strictly increasing, so it will go this way. It will have no upper opening parabola, lower opening parabola combination. It will keep on growing. And you know that the graph is symmetric about origin. So I can draw the mirror image. Okay, as it is odd function. Now look at this. If you will observe directly, you can say whether it is 1 1 or many 1. So for 1 1, what I will do, I will use horizontal line test. So look at here. So it is one cut everywhere. As it is strictly increasing, so one cut everywhere. So the given function is 1 1. Now it is strictly increasing, given function is strictly increasing, so put x equals to infinity. So infinity into infinity, it is max to max 1, so infinity minus 1 is infinity, so infinity into infinity is infinity, so it will stop at infinity. Correct? And its mirror image will be at minus infinity. This means the range is what? Minus infinity to plus infinity, and it is real number, all real number. So can I say that the given function is onto also? Hence, we got 1 1, onto, and odd. So given function is both 1 1 and onto. So the correct option is option C. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.